Hello friends, welcome to learn SMD know-how. SMD is a surface mount technology and the components used in the surface mount technology is called as surface mount devices, often referred as SMDs. You might have learned the basic functioning of each component or you can find it out on internet. In this video, we have explained about the SMD components with respect to the SMD process only. SMD components are usually smaller than its through-hole counterpart because it has either smaller leads or no leads at all. Let's compare the through-hole components with SMDs. Through-hole resistors have two leads visible at both ends of component body, while the SMD resistors have paths on its body itself. Similarly, the SMD ceramic capacitors have leads on its body. Few capacitors like electrolytic capacitors have flat leads. The SMD inductors are look same as that of capacitors. It's difficult to distinguish the inductors and capacitors visually. The leaded SMD components have flat leads which are mounted on the surface of PCB. Let's check how SMD diodes look like. These are the different types of transistors with 2, 3, 4 or 5 leads. The SMD devices may have short pins or leads of various styles, flat contacts and a matrix of solder balls or terminals on the body of the components. As explained, SMD components are usually smaller than through-hole components and are designed to be handled by machines rather than by humans. The electronic industry has standardized the package shapes and sizes. Here, the sizes of components is explained as per its packages. The 1005 size is in mm and 0402 is in inches. We suggest to use mm because machine uses mm unit. So do not get confused, you need to use common unit only. The minimum size used in India till now is 1005, but in smartphone 0603 sizes are also used. From package size, you can recognize the component size. For example, in case of 1005 size package component, it have 1.0 mm length and 0.5 mm width. Similarly, in case of 1608, the length is 1.6 mm and width is 0.8 mm. In case of 3216, the length is 3.2 mm and width is 1.6. Here, thickness is not included. Exact size need to be used while making the part data in machine. Automation of surface mount assembly by the use of pick and place machine to handle a tiny components has been enhanced by evolutionary improvement in tape and reel systems which can accommodate as many as 4000 parts on a 13-inch reel. This results in less frequent component reloading and less downtime of the assembly equipment. Other advantages of tape feeders include versatility or the ability to handle a variety of parts. The SMD components are packed in reel or a spool form. The different types of spools available are paper type, used for standard package component only, the ESD embossed type for other and semiconductor materials. Depending upon customer requirement, the ICs are packed in a stick form, tray form or a spool form. Let's start with the resistor. It is used in electronic production. It decides the amount of electric current and it should be used according to the value or capacity, size and tolerance. The resistor is marked as R. Its symbol is and the unit is ohm. In SMD, the unit can be converted as follow: ohm, that is 10 raised to 0, kilo ohm, that is 10 raised to 3, and mega ohm, that is 10 raised to 6. The SMD resistors are marked with their resistance values using 3 or 4 digits, the first 2 or 3 significant digits and a multiplier digit. The 3-digit indicates J-type with 5% tolerance and 4-digit indicates F-type with 1% tolerance. The next device is capacitor. A capacitor is a device which stores and discharges electric current depending on the capacity, size, character and tolerance of a dielectric, which is placed in between two conducting plates, which creates the capacitance. The variety of components are available depending upon the different value, size, tolerance. We cannot distinguish it visually. Hence, the maker or the manufacturer of the component attach the label or information tag on the spools. Few manufacturers mention the component value and tolerance directly on the label attached on the material spool. Few manufacturers only provide the part number. How to read the part number and how to calculate the value of components is explained in full video. To watch full video, join our online training program. The next component is inductor. Due to the small dimension of SMDs, the SMD inductors are available in limited values of less than about 1 millihenry. It is a metal conductor looped through a ferrite bead with end caps. They are of dark gray in color. Larger inductors and transformers may be through-hole mounted on the same board. The next device is diode. It is a PN functional bipolar semiconductor devices used in various circuits. The SMD diodes are very small in size. The diodes is marked by capital D. Depending upon its type, the symbols is different. The types of diodes are backward diode, barite diode, gun diode, laser diode, light emitting diodes, photodiodes, PN diodes, PN junction, Schottky, step recovery diodes, the tunnel diode, vector diode and a Zener diode. The next device is transistor. As you know, transistor is a component which amplifies the current. Various kinds of analog circuit uses transistor while it is less used in digital circuit. In SMD, the transistor is marked by Q or TR. Its symbol is different depending upon the type, that is NPN or PNP. The next component is IC. An integrated circuit is a package of high-density combination of transistors, resistors, and capacitors. The IC is marked by the letter IC or U. IC polarity can be recognized by notch, white color band, or dot marking on it. The pins are numbered anti-clockwise around the IC starting from the notch or dot. The example here is shown for 8-pin, 14-pin and 16-pin IC. The numbering method is same for all type. The types of IC like SOP, SOJ, SON, QFP, QFJ, QFN, BGA, LGA are explained in full video. To watch full video, join to our online training program. For more details, write to us at consulting@vibitechsolution.com. You can also visit us at www.vibitechsolution.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.